Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add people on Likee. First of all, launch open Likee application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Likee application has been opened. So if you want to add people, for that you'll have to go to the Explore interface. Tap on this icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you want to add the people from your contact, what you can do is simply tap on this icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to discover the friends. If you tap on the option suggestions, Likee will suggest you the people that you can add. If you tap on the option contacts, you'll be able to discover the contacts who have joined the Likee over here. Or you can also simply search for the people. For that, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in the username of the person that you would like to add. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on it. Now at top you'll be able to find the options like hot, users, video, hashtags, etc. Tap on this option users. Now you'll be able to see all the users with that particular username. Tap on the user that you would like to add. Now once you do that, their profile will be opened. What you have to do is tap on this option follow that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you follow this user successfully. Now, if this particular user also follows you back, you guys will be friends. So like this, you'll be able to add the people. So that is how you add people on Likee. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.